Today on Behind the Buttercream, we'll be trying some Bulgarian snacks.
Let's see how this goes.
I hope it tastes good. So my family has friends all over the world and they always travel through Istanbul. So we asked them to bring snacks from wherever they live. And so today we have Bulgarian snacks. Some of them like the soda. I have no idea what it is, so we'll find out later in the video. If you want to see us drink this mystery queen soda, probably originating from 1996, stay to the very end and we'll try this. I don't really know what we should try first. Do you have any ideas?
I really think we should go with the Pringles because if there's something that we don't like, because it's a possibility that we're not gonna like these, we have all these different kind of sweets that we probably will like, and we'll balance out the disgusting taste.
So these are dinner party edition Pringles. Sausage and crispy bacon flavor. I don't know if I really like the idea of meat being on a chip.
I don't know. I mean, you gotta think about it. In America, we make those American pizza Pringles, and we consider it normal.
They actually, I don't know if you guys have this in America because we're in Turkey. Let me know down in the comments below. If you're in America, do you guys have these? I mean, and if we don't like it, there's a free prize with every can. Whoa, that actually, did you hear the suction?
Yeah, it was a weird, suction sort of pop sound. But yeah, it gave a weird pop sound.
I don't like it. I can't.
It smells like dog food to me. You know, it smells like a weaker version of old yellow dog food. 1, 2, 3. It's not bad actually. Reminds me of pork rinds.
So on these videos, we will rate these delish, meaning that we would want to eat them again, or spit in a dish, meaning no, these things are horrible.
Well, what would you rate it? Yeah.
I really don't know what to rate this, if it's delish or spit in a dish.
I love pork rinds, and that tastes just like a pork rind to me, so I'd eat that again.
I think it's like a mixture of delish and spit in a dish. It's not either. So you think it's delish?
I think it's delish.
I think I'll say delish. It's definitely, I would eat it again, but it's not my favorite chip. But I could not find any facts on these. So, I mean, I went on the Pringles website and they didn't even say that they sold them. Let's just go on to the next snack. Now we're going to do a Doma Swiss roll. So these are Doma Swiss roll. We have a strawberry filling and a cocoa filling. This is, from what I could tell, a Bulgarian brand. So we're going to do rock, paper, scissors on who gets to try which one, and then we'll switch.
All right. So he gets to choose which one he wants to try. It's sad really, that he almost always wins at these small games that we play.
Yeah, all right, so I don't know which one I want to try first. I know you don't like strawberry that much. I
don't mind, I really don't. I mean,
I want to try I love strawberry and I love chocolate, so.
So I'm going to try strawberry first?
Yeah.
You're going to try okay.
The it smells actually pretty good. I mean,
it smells like chocolate.
It smells like what you would think, a chocolate cake.
Well, it smells just like a Swiss roll back home in the States.
Wait, so this is actually a vanilla cake, just coated in chocolate.
Okay. Yeah, so the strawberry is vanilla, and then the chocolate, actually, you can see
it's
by
chocolate.
looking at the side of it is actually chocolate. All right,
so let's take a bite.
Let's take a bite.
It's good.
Not bad.
It's actually kind of surprising how moist the cake is.
Yeah, it is kind of...
I mean, it's not like homemade kind of moist.
No, it's just like a packaged moist, which isn't bad.
But it's actually kind of surprising. All right.
I think they actually really skimped out on the strawberry. And actually, the strawberry is really good on here. And here's the thing that I hate, is that sometimes with desserts when they do this, they either A, skimp out on something a little bit, or they put too much of another thing. This one has way too much breading on the actual Swiss roll. I know, it's just a cake. But if you're gonna put that much breading on it, you gotta put more of the jam or whatever you put inside the cake. All right. I like strawberry better.
Same. You definitely are able to taste the strawberry.
Yes, you are able to taste the strawberry. My problem is that this one, you can tell, is a denser cake. It really is. And your mouth, you have to open up really wide to bite into this thing, too. You can feel it.
You're right. So just by feeling, this is kind of like a brick kind of feeling. And this one's this one...
That one's more like a pillow. This one's more like,
this one's like a pillow that you found on the street.
It's like hard foam.
Doma Swiss roll. This is definitely a delish for me.
Well, the strawberry one is a delish.
Yeah, the strawberry.
The strawberry one. The chocolate, however, I would say is actually spit in the dish.
Yeah, I would say spit in the dish. Not because it's not like it's not because I don't like it. It's just not as good.
It's not even that. I mean, I just don't like it personally. I mean, the chocolate is bland. The cake is dense. It just doesn't. It's just not very good to me. I mean, I'm sure you understand that. I mean, you're a baker. I mean, unless you didn't notice, folks, he's a baker. That's this whole point of the show.
This is my channel. If this is your first video that you've watched on my channel, I actually do a whole bunch of baking videos. So subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a. Let's try this.
Oreos? Okay, we want to try this other thing.
So this is here. This is a 7 days max croissant with creme brulee filling. Plus 35% something. I don't know what it is.
Russian script and Bulgarian language is actually written in Russian script, so we have no idea what it says. We have friends of ours that could probably tell us.
I'm assuming that
if any of you guys speak Russian out there, I'm gonna hold this up real quick because if any of you guys can read this, please comment down below because that'd be interesting. Because oh wait, no, you might not be able to read it because it's Bulgarian, just in Russian script. Never mind. That was.
I think it's probably like. Filling, like probably 35% more filling. Yeah, that's what makes sense. Let me read my little factoids that I have on this. Yeah. So on their website, they claim to be the #1 croissant in the world, so we'll see if that's true. They define their croissants to be a wonderful combination of fluffy croissant with rich cream filling that gives you the most delicious energy for the day. So let's see if they're right.
Wait, you ready? All right.
And I need to talk to the people that get me these snacks that if they see these, I actually want to try them to be kind of like a normal thing for these videos. Oh my.
Wow, okay.
That is huge.
It's huge. Maybe that's the reason they call it 7 days, because you're only supposed to split up into 7 fragments. I don't know.
That's probably why.
That's probably why.
Oh wow, it's kind of like cold.
Oh wow, what is that?
I don't know why I gave you the baby half. It's creme brulee filling. Oh, the croissant.
Smells like caramel.
I just had to buy the croissant.
Is it like a caramel buttercream?
No, it's creme brulee.
The filling itself, I'm not sure how to describe it. It tastes like a caramel buttercream filling.
I say that the 7 days croissant is a delish.
Delish.
Let's try these. We'll try the KitKats in a second. All right.
And we both got our own KitKat, just because we know we love KitKats, so we're just like, okay.
And I don't like sharing with them. These are called Oreo Joy Filled. So these claim to be crispy and creamy, and that they're new. We don't know about the new part, but they claim it.
We'll see that. I mean,
so
who knows? It might just be new to Bulgaria. I mean,
so based on my research, you can only find these in Europe.
Really? You can't find them in the States?
Based on my research, but there's always a first time for everything, and I could be wrong.
Yeah. Well,
oh wow!
I thought these things were gonna be bigger than this, but let's.
I ate one.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna bite into half of it. Okay, look at that.
That's not that much filling.
No. So you guys can see it. You might not be able to. But basically, the little center has like a tiny speck of filling. Oh, he's got more filling in that one.
No, I kind of like pulled the outside off and.
Oh. Wait. I don't know.
I expected these to be.
They kind of remind me of a cereal back home in the States, actually.
Yeah, I would. Actually, I read when I was doing my research, people said it's like Crave. Remember Crave cereal?
Yes, yes.
We never got it. People said
I actually had it once.
Really? When did you eat
with a friend. I can't remember when or who, but I remember one time with a friend, he brought Crave to school. I got a couple from him. So.
I always wanted to try them. I never did. People always said that they're just like these. I think these are more of a cereal. They already have a cereal for Oreos. They're called Oreos. It's like Oreo-O's.
Oreo.
Make these your cereal.
Yeah, make these your cereal. Stop with the little tiny cookies. The little tiny cookies do nothing.
They're not little cookies. They're just
little
like
cookies.
They're just little circles with their little O's.
Yeah, but they're like little.
It's like chocolate Cheerios.
Oh, hi. It doesn't even make sense.
I'd say these are delish.
Yeah, okay, I'd go with delish.
But these, I like Oreos with milk, but with these you definitely need milk.
The moment we've always been waiting for.
Oreos stuck in my teeth.
The KitKat. And this is not just any KitKat. This is a large peanut butter KitKat.
All right. No, so these are Nestle KitKat. I almost said Nestle. I don't know why. I'm just kidding. These are Nestle Crunchy Peanut Butter KitKat. In the States, these KitKats are normally Hershey's, but overseas, based on my research, Nestle has the rights.
Or I wouldn't say rights.
It's like a weird
Once again, like a partnership. Really.
What's a weird thing talking about copyright laws? We have actually had these before.
We have.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember. We had a friend who went to Thailand.
To figure this out.
If I'm right, we had a friend who went to Thailand, and he got these for us. But that was years ago.
No, I don't remember these.
Okay, so let's try these. But it's 3 of them. All right.
Okay, so.
You smell the peanut butter before you bite it.
Mmm.
Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
It has like a plastic kind of taste.
Yeah. The peanut butter is good. The actual cracker or whatever they put into it is good. I think it's the chocolate.
No, I think it's...
Let
me just nibble a little chocolate.
I think it's the Nestle chocolate itself that tastes kind of like plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the chocolate. To me, Hershey always tastes like plastic. Unless you buy one of the big Hershey bars, the chocolate always tastes like plastic. I don't know.
I think it's because they set in the wrappers for so long. They heat up a little bit. But I'm actually going to say, like, I like the peanut butter, I like the wafers, but the chocolate kind of ruined it for me. So I'd say KitKat crunchy peanut butter. You just eat all of yours?
Yeah.
Delicious or spit in the dish? For me,
I would say spit in the dish.
It's definitely a spit in the dish.
Chocolate. The chocolate tastes like plastic for some reason.
The chocolate...
And that's just not right. You shouldn't have chocolate tasting like plastic.
The moment you've been waiting for. The Queen's Mystery Soda. And I have no facts on this. From the pictures, it looks like it's...
The label. That's
label.
what it's called.
It looks like it's apple and cherry. And they give you step-by-step instructions.
On how to open the bottle.
They give you like
if
this
you
little
look at
thing.
it, it's not really hard to
By
tell.
step-by-step, I mean there's 2 instructions and like a sentence for each instruction.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, does it say something on the lid?
Whoa.
Yeah, it says something on the lid. It's all in Bulgarian, so I can't read it.
Coke used to do that. They have to like enter the prize number on Coke.com.
You can still find those sometimes. I mean,
all right.
I remember when sometimes Coke would actually give like inspirations on the actual.
All right, guys. Sorry, we're having a little camera difficulty today, but we poured the drink into the cups, and now we're going to chug it.
All right.
Whoa. That is This is definitely spit in the dish.
Yes.
It tastes like a watered down like.
It's not terrible, but it is not like delicious in any way, means or shape.
It tastes like a watered down Kool-Aid. Like
kind of like cough syrup, actually, except not as strong.
That was all of the foods that we had here today. We tried 6 different things. So maybe in the future we'll be trying some more snacks.
Yep.
We'll have more videos like this. So hit subscribe, get notified when I upload. But so yeah, hit subscribe, comment down below on a challenge that you want us to do or me and my friends to do. And yeah, so click one of these videos right here, hit this icon up here somewhere, maybe I'll put it right on his face. Just subscribe to my channel. I definitely need to put it on his face now. All right, guys. Bye.
See ya.